The decision by the Oregon Supreme Court could have an impact for years to come. KEZI 9 News reporter Julio Mora Rodriguez spoke with a political expert to examine the consequences of the decision.
According to Measure 113, 10 lawmakers reached the limit on the number of unexcused absences. Those 10 will be ineligible to seek re-election in the following term.
I think Republicans certainly had a case to say that the language wasn't as precise as it could have been, but it's hard to argue that the intent of the bill wasn't to stop the walkouts like the ones that happened in the last session.
Christopher Stout is an associate professor of political science at Oregon State University. He wasn't terribly surprised by the Oregon Supreme Court's decision. He understands the court's argument that it was the intent of voters to punish lawmakers who walk out, but he also sees why Republicans might be frustrated by the decision. In the short term, he's looking at the upcoming legislative session. There's a lot on the agenda that possibly might not get done if lawmakers don't show up.
That's 10 more absences, which denies a quorum to the state legislature, and it means that nothing will get done this session. And so that means issues around housing and reforming 110 are unlikely to move forward.
But long term, Stout says this might not be the end of the debate over Measure 113. Some Republicans are talking about taking up the issue with the federal courts. Stout says they could argue that the measure impedes their ability to protest, denying their First Amendment rights.
They would have a pathway to petition an argument to say that 113 is unconstitutional based off of our federal constitution. And so that is certainly a pathway that the 10 legislators who are now barred from running for re-election could take.
Are the careers of the lawmakers who walked out politically dead? That's a story I'll have in the 5 o'clock newscast. Reporting in Pleasant Hill, Julio Mora Rodriguez, KEZI 9 News.
Julio, thank you.